Hi yo, it's Poki, your design pro. Welcome to this episode of Revit. In this episode, we are going to look at how to detail our roof plan. This is a hipped roof. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials and also to turn on your notification for the daily updates. Yeah, this is our roof plan. As you can see, we are going to do dimensioning and also to name its members. Yeah, so we can start with the dimensioning, but before that, let us first go with these grid lines. We don't need to show them on our roof plan. As well, if you want to show them, you can leave them, but for me, I'll go with them. I don't want them to over congest my roof plan, so I'll click on one. I right click, then I come select all instances in visible view. Then I right click, I come and hide. I'm going to hide the elements. So I'll go with the grid lines. Then for the section line, for that one, I'll need to see it on my roof plan. As I had said earlier, we are beginning with dimensioning. So I'll look for the dimensioning tool. It is under modify. So I'll simply come, click on modify. Then the dimension tool is right here, where I can simply click DI on the keyboard to activate it. So when I click on my dimension tool, I can simply come and mark off my dimensions. I'm going to first mark off the edges of the roof. That is for the first dimension line. So I'll mark off this. Come pick this and also this, then finish with this one. This is my first dimension line. Then the next one, I'm going to mark off the gutter. This is our rain gutter, so I'll come pick from here and also there, then do the same. Come have it right there. I escape, click on this dimension line. I can drag this dimension up somewhere there. I'm going to create another dimension line that is for the overall dimension. So I'll simply come, click on the dimension tool, come pick this edge, and I finish it with this one. And I have it right there. I can edit this overall dimension by clicking on it. Then I come to edit type. I duplicate. I'm going to name it as overall DIM. Then I say OK. I only want to change the text font. So the text font, I'm going to give it 2. Then I'm going to make it bold. I'll come and check this bold box. I say OK, I have it at that. Then I'm also going to dimension these other elevation sides. So I'm going to do the same. I'll come, click on this dimension line, then I create similar. This is the create similar tool. I come, click on it. My first dimension line is for the roof edges. So I'll come pick this, pick this, finish with that. Have it right there. The next dimension line is for the gutters. I'll come pick off my gutters just like this. I have it right there. Then my third one, that is the last one, I'll come click on this overall dimension line. I come and create similar. So I'll come pick from here, then I finish from here. I can have this on this other elevation at once, the overall one, then also this other elevation side. So I have to create similar for this first one we are using. I'll click on this dimension line, I come and create similar, then come mark off the roof edges. The next one is for the gutters. I'll have the same on this side. Come mark off the roof edges. The second one is for the gutters. Come finish with this. Yeah, we are done with the dimensioning. Next we are going to name the roof members on our roof plan. So I'll come to the text tool. The text tool is under the annotate tab. So I'll come click on the annotate tab. Then I look for the text tool. It is right here. Or I can type TX on the keyboard to activate the text tool. So let me just click on it. We can start with naming our gutters. I'll go with this arrow, the two segment, so I can have my arrow moving like this. This is going to be our rain gutter. You can be specific if you're sure of the material you're going to use for the gutter. Yeah, but I'm just going to name it as rain gutter. Then in your naming, you can be specific. Then we need also to name this is the ridge. This is our ridge cap. You can still be specific if you're sure of the material you're going to use. You can name that as the ridge cap. Then we have our valley. You can pick this. We name this as valley. Then now we have to name the sheets as well. Yeah, for the sheets you can also be specific if you're sure of the material you're going to use. But I'm going to name this as iron sheets. If you have tiles, then you can name them as tiles. Yeah, but you have to be specific which kind of tiles. For this one we are using iron sheets, but you can be specific as well. That's by telling us the material you're going to use. Then next we need to add the spot elevations. So I'll come to the spot elevation tool. It is also under the annotate tab. So I'll come to the spot elevation tool. It is right here. I can click on it. Then I come take off my spots. From there, this is on the same one. Then I will need also this one. I come take off all my spots. I save my project. Yeah, once Revit tells you to save your project, please endeavor to do so, because if you don't, you may lose your work in case your machine crashes. So I'll simply come save my project. Next, we are going to add the spot slope. So the spot slope tool, it is also under annotate. So I'll come click on it. Then I have to take off my slopes, that is in degrees. Add here as well. Escape. Yeah, so now we can just adjust or modify on them. You can move this down. First reduce on them. Click create similar. Put also here. And there. And I can adjust them. So we are done adding the spot slopes. These ones show the pitch angle of the roof and also the rainwater direction. So we can name them as well. So I'll come click on the text tool. I pick this. I name this as rain fall direction. I click on it, then I add also another lead on the left. Click on this, then I can have this onto this one. We can do the same also for the ridges. I come to the text tool, I click on it. I pick this ridge, come back here. I pick this ridge up somewhere there and I type ridge cap. Then I add the lead on the right. So you have something like that. This is a well-dimensioned roof plan. It is well-dimensioned. Then having the roof members well named, you can also change the visual style from hidden to shaded so that we have something like that. Yes. Thank you for watching this episode and I hope you learned something. Watch out for the next episode and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials and click on your notification for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.